What's the meaning of belligerent? Belligerent. Belligerent.
Belligerent. Belligerent. The word belligerent is an adjective that describes someone or something that is hostile, aggressive, or combative. It can also refer to a nation or group engaged in warfare or conflict. A belligerent person may be quick to argue or fight, and may display a confrontational or bellicose attitude towards others. In a legal context, belligerence can also refer to a party involved in a lawsuit or dispute. The term can have negative connotations, as it implies a lack of willingness to cooperate or compromise. However, in some situations such as competitive sports, being belligerent can be seen as a positive trait.